For we live by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 7.
Hello friend. Welcome to our special corner.
Folder view list. WinCam checkbox selected checked.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a keyboard shortcut for the program that we always use, just like Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so I will press the Windows key.
Start window. Cortana window. Search box edit. W R D. Word web app. Press right to switch Find results. Level 1 Word 2016 app. Press right to switch preview 1 of 2.
Okay, so this is Word 2016. So what I'm going to do is to put a shortcut icon of this to my desktop. Okay, but before that, I have to pin this first to the taskbar. So I'll press application key or the context menu.
Bing document. Context menu. Run as open file location. Pin to start not pin to taskbar not selected 4 of 5.
Okay, so pin to taskbar. I'll press enter.
Search box edit. Word 2016.
Okay, now we'll go to the taskbar and check if Word is already there. I'll now press Windows T.
Running applications toolbar. Microsoft Edge button. File Explorer button. Microsoft Store button. Mail button. PowerPoint 2000. Word 2016 button.
Okay, so Word 2016. Now I'll press again the application key or the context menu.
Context menu. Open file location. Run as administrate. Troubleshoot unpin from taskbar K. Copy as path A. Restore previous versions V. Send to sub menu N. Bluetooth device B. Compressed. Desktop. Create shortcut D.
Okay, so I'll press enter on this.
Running applications toolbar. Word 2016 button.
Okay, now let's go to the desktop and check if the Word is already there.
Folder view list. WinCam checkbox selected W. Word 2016 checkbox selected checked.
Okay, now let's go to the property page by pressing Alt Enter.
Word 2016 properties dialog. OK button. Shortcut property page Word 2016 target type.
Okay, so I'll press Tab.
Shortcut key. Hotkey field none Alt plus K.
Okay, so for example, I'll press period.
Dot.
Okay, I'll press Tab again.
Run. Combo box normal window collapsed Alt plus R.
Tab.
Comment. Advanced.
Tab.
OK button.
Okay, I'll press enter on this.
Desktop list. Word 2016 checkbox selected checked.
Okay, now let's check if our newly created shortcut command will work. I'll now press Alt Control period. Let's see if the Word app will launch.
Taskbar. Opening Word. Word.
Okay, so the Word open. Okay, so the same is applicable to other programs such as Microsoft PowerPoint, WordPad, or any other programs that we use always. So again, we have to pin the item on the taskbar, press the application key, then look for the send to submenu, then desktop, create shortcut. Then on the desktop, you have to go to the property dialog box, then select the key that you want to use as a shortcut key for your application. So thank you so much.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na to, please like and click the subscribe button below. Have a good day!